Hi everyone, today's topic work done and heat. See, in this video I will introduce one trick to remember the sign convention of work done and heat. See, most of the students were confusing about the sign convention. Work done by the system, work done on the system, which is positive, which is negative. Okay. So similarly, heat absorbed by the system, heat evolved from a system, which is positive, which is negative. See, here I am going to introduce one code, special code. For that we can easily remember this sign convention. Yes, first of all, I will introduce a special codes. Okay, this is a special code EBN. EBN, for that is European Business Network. If you remember this, okay, just check. E for expansion, B for by the system, work done by the system, okay. N for negative. For expansion, work done by the system, the sign is negative. Okay. Next, COP, coefficient of performance. C for contraction. O for work done on the system, okay, work done on the system. P for positive. For contraction, work done on the system, the sign is positive. Yes, next, this is for heat. ENAP, that is engineering application. E for evolving heat, okay, heat evolved from a system, that sign is negative. En. Then AP, A for absorbing heat absorbed by a system, then sign is positive, AP. See, let us discuss in detail. Here, system and surrounding. So between system and surrounding, energy exchange takes place. The energy exchange is in two ways. The energy exchange mechanically, energy exchange non-mechanical. Mechanical way, non-mechanical way. The energy exchange mechanically, that is called work. Energy exchange non-mechanical, that is called heat. Okay, this is thermal energy. Very clear. Now, let us discuss the work done on the system and work done by the system. First of all, let us discuss the equation of work. W is equal to minus P external pressure into delta V. See, I will derive this equation in next video. Okay, this is the equation of work done. W is equal to minus P E external delta V. See, what is delta V? Delta V is nothing but it is Vf minus Vi, that is change in volume. What is delta V? Delta V is equal to Vf minus Vi. This is delta V. Clear? Yes. For a system, consider a gaseous system, consider a cylinder. It contains gas. Okay. This is a piston. Okay. Piston is there. So this is external pressure. This is external pressure. Okay, if the gas will expand, expansion takes place. Okay, if gas will expand, what happens? The volume of a gas will increase. Okay, the volume of a gas will increase. If the gas will contract, what happens? The volume of gas will decrease. Clear? It's okay. Now, we know for expansion means the gas, the system, okay, this gaseous system, the gas will work done by the system. Okay, this system doing work. It means consider this is a system. Okay, this is surroundings. Yes, work done by the system. So energy exchange mechanically from system to surrounding. This is work done by the system. W by the system. Clear? But what about contraction? So there's exactly opposite. Work done on the system. Okay, work done on the system means surrounding, that energy exchange mechanically from surrounding to system. That is work done on the system. So this is contraction. Okay. So we know that according to this equation, just check this equation. According to this equation, W is equal to minus P delta V. W is equal to minus P delta V. For expansion, Vf is the final volume, Vi is the initial volume. Expansion, Vf is more, okay? Vf is more and Vi is less. So delta V, in the case of expansion, delta V greater than 0. If delta V is positive, what about W? What about W? W is negative because it is minus P delta V. So this is positive, so work done is negative. Then the code is very clear. EBN, that is E for expansion, B for by the system, N for negative. Next, contraction. In the case of contraction, we know that VF is less than Vi. Okay, this is Vi, initial volume. This is final volume. It is very less. So Vf minus Vi, that is delta V is negative value. Delta V is negative. So delta V is negative means what about work done? W is equal to minus P external pressure, minus P external into delta V. Delta V is negative means work done is positive. So here code COP for contraction, work done on the system, that is positive. Clear? Yes, the code is correct. Now, next is about heat. Heat evolved from a system. Q is negative. Okay. If heat is evolved, heat is going from system to surrounding. This is negative. Then heat absorbed by the system. So what happened? Heat absorbed means it will go like this. So Q is positive. Here Q is positive. For evolved heat, then sign is negative. Then absorption, heat absorbing, then heat absorbing, then AP, that is positive. So ENAP. So code is very clear. I will introduce once again the code. EBN, E for European Business Network, E for expansion, B for work done by the system, then N for negative. Then COP, C for contraction, O for work done on the system, P for positive. Then ENAP, E for heat evolving, negative sign, then A for heat absorbing, then positive sign. Okay, I hope you understand what I am telling. Thank you.